Okay, it says, to fire, gently press the trigger.
Oh, shit.
I'm getting good at this shit. All right, guys, it's dynamite time. The instructions said, place the dynamite somewhere you want to blow up. So I put it next to my ex-girlfriend's house. Yo, the feds showed up. Me and Yeti are running for our lives right now. I knew I should have posted that. We are so cooked. Go, go, go.
Yeti, give it a go. Hell yeah.
I'm getting good at this shit. Feels like we got aimbot.
Chat, do you think what I did was wrong?
Ugh.